This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series episode 26. This video series is specially designed for the students of CSS and PMS because they often feel difficulty for the preparation of MCQs portion of subject. Therefore, this video series will really help them. And other students who appear for any competitive exam regarding the subject of Pakistan Affair, this video series will also be definitely beneficial for them as well. So in this video we will talk about the 38 MCQs regarding the Cripps mission and Wavell plan. So make sure you watch all these MCQs because these are very important. Let's start. The British government appointed the delegation of Cripps mission under the chairmanship of, options are Lord Attlee, Lord Curzon, Stanford Cripps, Lord Mountbatten. Third is the correct answer here, which is Stafford Cripps. The British government appointed delegation of Cripps mission under the chairmanship of Stafford Cripps. Guys, if I repeat any MCQs, it is just for the sake of clarity and just for this purpose that you have memorized it all at once here, so you will not need to watch it again. It's up to you. Okay, second MCQ is, who was Sir Stafford Cripps? Options are member of House of Lords, member of House of Commons, member of the War Cabinet of England, ex-Viceroy of India. So third is the right answer, which is member of the War Cabinet of England. When Cripps mission reached Delhi, options are 22nd March 1942, 23rd March 1942, 24th March 1942, 25th March 1942. So third is the right answer here, which is in a green bar which is on 24th March 1942. Cripps mission reached Delhi on 24th March 1942. The object of Cripps mission was to, options are hold discussion with Muslim leaders, hold discussion with Hindu leaders, hold discussion with Indian leaders, hold discussion with social reformists. So third is the right answer, which is hold discussion with Indian leaders. Mission which could not hold talks with the Indian leaders and left soon. Options are Cabinet, Cripps, Indian, Freedom. Second is the correct answer, which is Cripps. Cripps mission which could not hold talks with the Indian leaders and left soon. Cripps mission submitted its own suggestion to the government on, options are April 1942, May 1942, June 1942, July 1942. So first is the correct answer here, which is on April 1942. Cripps mission submitted its own suggestion to government on April 1942. Cripps mission submitted its suggestion for which reforms? Options are educational, religious, constitutional, social. Third is the right answer, which is constitutional. So the Cripps mission submitted its suggestion for the constitutional reforms. When Congress published resolution of rejection, options are 11th April 1942, 12th April 1942, 13th April 1942, 14th April 1942. So first is the correct answer here, which is on 11th April 1942. On which advice Congress rejected Cripps' proposal? Options are Gandhi, Nehru, Atmaram, Chatterjee. So first is the correct answer here, which is Gandhi. Why Muslim League rejected the Cripps mission? Options are, first option is the proposal did not concede Islamistan. The proposals did not concede separate Muslimistan. The proposal did not concede Pakistan unequivocally. The proposal did not accept the land of Islam unequivocally. So third is the correct answer here, which is proposals did not concede Pakistan unequivocally. So that's why Muslim League rejected the Cripps mission. Which political party, to put more pressure on government, launched Quit India movement? Options are Muslim League, Congress, Unionist, Communist. So second is the correct answer, which is Congress. Who considered that Quit India movement as anti-Muslim action of the Congress? Options are Liaquat Ali Khan, Fazlul Haq, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Waqarul Mulk. So the right answer here is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Muhammad Ali Jinnah considered that Quit India movement as anti-Muslim action of the Congress. The Muslim League, in reply to Quit India slogans by the Congress, demanded options are divide Indians and go, divide India and go, divide Pakistan and go, A and B. So the right answer here is divide India and go. Second is the correct answer here. The Muslim League, in reply to Quit India slogans by the Congress, demanded divide India and go. Who said Quit India movement is a conspiracy to establish Hindu Raj and to finish Muslim demands? Options are Liaquat Ali Khan, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, Quaid-e-Azam, Fatma Jinnah. So third is the right answer here, which is Quaid-e-Azam. When Lord Wavell came to India, options are March 1943, April 1943, May 1943, June 1943. So first is the right answer here, which is March 1943. Lord Wavell came to India in March 1943. Who was Lord Wavell? Options are a politician, a member of the House of Commons, a military commander, a member of the House of Lords. So the Lord Wavell was a military commander, so third is the right answer here. Lord Wavell offered a scheme for settlement of future political problems of India, which is known as, options are Wavell ideology, Wavell directions, Wavell plan, Wavell report. So third is the right answer, which is Wavell plan. Lord Wavell plan offered to set up a new, options are Legislative Council, Executive Council, Election Commission, Education Commission. So second is the right answer, which is Executive Council. And Lord Wavell plan offered to set up a new Executive Council. When Shimla Conference began? Options are 15 June 1945, 20th June 1945, 25th June 1945, 30th June 1945. So the Shimla Conference began on 25th June 1945. Third is the right answer here. In Shimla Conference, who presented the Muslim League? Options are Quaid-e-Azam, Liaquat Ali Khan, Ghulam Hussain, Hussain Imam. So fourth is the right answer, which is Hussain Imam. Hussain Imam presented the Muslim League in Shimla Conference. Who represented Congress in Shimla Conference? Options are Abdul Kalam Azad, Khizr Hayat, Dr. Khan Sahib, all of above. So fourth is the right answer here, which is all of above. All of these presented the Congress in Shimla Conference. In the first session of Shimla Conference, who made a long explanatory speech filling in the details of plan of 14th June? Options are Lord Curzon, Lord Wavell, Lord William, Lord Irwin. So second is the right answer here, which is Lord Wavell. In Shimla Conference, Muslim leader made it clear that Muslims could not in any circumstances agree to a constitution on any basis other than Pakistan. Options are Liaquat Ali Khan, Khwaja Nizamuddin, Quaid-e-Azam, Hussain Imam. So Quaid-e-Azam was the person who made it clear that Muslim could not in any circumstances agree to the constitution on any basis other than Pakistan. So Quaid-e-Azam was the person. Third is the right answer here. Which viceroy's tenure is shortest in subcontinent? Options are Lord Leighton, Lord Wavell, Lord Minto, Lord Mountbatten. Fourth is the correct answer here, which is Lord Mountbatten, whose tenure was the shortest in subcontinent. At the end of the Shimla Conference, who demanded that general elections should be held in the center to prove that who is the sole representative of which community? Options are Abdul Kalam Azad, Liaquat Ali Khan, Quaid-e-Azam, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. So third is the right answer here, which is Quaid-e-Azam. Viceroy Lord Wavell announced general polls should be held in. Options are 1945, 1947, 1946, 1948. So first is the correct answer here, which is 1945. Viceroy Lord Wavell announced general poll should be held in 1945. The last meeting of All India Muslim was held in. Last meeting of All India Muslim was held in. Options are 1942, 1943, 1944, 1945. Second is the correct answer here, which is 1943. When Working Committee of Congress passed resolution of rejection? Options are 2nd April 1942, 3rd April 1942, 4th April 1942, 5th April 1942. So the Working Committee of Congress passed resolution of rejection on 2nd April 1942. First is the right answer here. When Congress decided to get independence from British by putting greater pressure on the government by launching Quit India movement. Options are 5th August 1942, 6th August 1942, 7th August 1942, 8th August 1942. So this pressure was put on government on 8th August 1942. It was on 8th August 1942 when Congress decided to get independence from British by putting greater pressure on government by launching Quit India movement. So 8th August 1942 is the correct answer here. Who declared Quit India movement as political blackmailing? Options are Nawab Salimul Mulk, Maulana Zafar Ali Khan, Quaid-e-Azam, Liaquat Ali Khan. So here the right answer is Quaid-e-Azam. Quaid-e-Azam was the person who declared Quit India movement as political blackmailing. So third is the right answer here. Why Congress rejected the Cripps plan? Options are: it gave more rights to the Muslim, gave no assurance that Governor General would act as a constitutional head, Muslims would gain more power in government, all of these. So the Congress rejected the Cripps plan because it gives no assurance that Governor General would act as a constitutional head. So second is the correct answer here. Before coming to India, Wavell was, options are A in A of British force, B in B of the British forces, C in C of the British forces, D in D of the British forces. So third is the right answer, which is C in C of the British forces. The Congress rejected the Cripps proposal and demanded establishment of a, options are new government, federal government, new constitution, free national government. So fourth is the correct answer here, which is free national government. The Congress rejected the Cripps proposal and demanded the establishment of a free national government. When Jinnah issued a statement on the Wavell proposals, options are 27 June 1943, 28 June 1943, 29th June 1943, 30th June 1943. So third is the right answer here, which is 29 June 1943. Jinnah issued a statement on the Wavell proposals on 29 June 1943. In which year Lord Wavell convened a conference of Indian political leaders in Simla to discuss Wavell plan? Options are 23rd June 1945, 24th June 1945, 25th June 1945, 26th June 1945. So third is the right answer here, which is on 25th June 1945. On 25th June 1945, Lord Wavell convened a conference of Indian political leaders in Simla to discuss Wavell plan. So third is the right answer, which is 25th June 1945. When Mohandas Karamchand, known as Gandhi after the Gandhi left the politics? When Mohandas Karamchand, known as Gandhi, left the politics? Options are 1944, 1945, 1946, 1947. So second is the right answer here, which is 1945. On 1945, Mohandas Karamchand, known as Gandhi. Last Muslim League meeting was held at, options are Karachi, Dhaka, Lahore, New Delhi. So second is the correct answer, which is Dhaka. Last Muslim League meeting was held at Dhaka. When Liaquat Ali Khan joined Muslim League? Options are 1921, 1922, 1923, 1924. So second is the right answer, which is 1922. Liaquat Ali Khan joined the Muslim League in 1922. So these are 5 questions to test yourself. You can just pause the video here and solve these questions so you can know that how much you have memorized from these MCQs. See you in next video.